forgot. It's somewhere lost, lost to the cages. You bring me down.
Time to dive and see what lies beneath the waves today.
Then switch it up and treat me. You promised sun, but it bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do.
Hook is set. Time to pull this relic back to the surface. Pressure on the lines exceeded all projections, but Alden kept his focus. This was the moment of truth for the salvage crew. Steady just a little more. Bring her down nice and easy.
The finer things you keep from me. And then you touch, and I feel so much. I just love what you do to me.
Years of ocean sediment are coming out of this floorboard now.
The misery, the ecstasy, the finer things you keep from me. And then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me.
Finally, this rusted heart is ready to come out of the truck.
To me. Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking a guide.
That coat of primer is going to protect this frame for a lifetime.
Lost, lost to the cages, into the chaos. I forgot somewhere it must be written. I just lost my access to the night. Somewhere love had bidden. I chased the
Smooth rotation, just like the day this motor first rolled off the line.
I owe this to myself to stay in the deep end, finally face to face with truth. How about you? Can you handle the riptide? Will help
Smooth as silk, you won't even know there. Mixing the perfect shade of blue for this classic beauty. Nothing beats the look and feel of real leather in an old truck. Careful now. This glass is the finishing touch of the cabin. Almost there, she's really coming together now. Fuel lines are tight, no signs of leaks at all. Lug nuts are torqued down, and those wheels aren't going anywhere. She looks just as good as the day she was built.